Hi guys and welcome to this video. In this video, I'll be teaching you a new intraday trading strategy for crude oil, okay, without any indicators and which is very simple, and this is based on just one candle formation. So I'll be teaching you this in this video. So make sure you watch this video till the end to get all the information regarding this. I'll be telling you where to enter, what is the target and stop loss you have to keep, everything I'll be telling you in this video. And also guys, as you know, due to the market volatility, the margins has been reduced for trading in crude oil or in NSE also. But how to get good margin, I'll be telling you that solution in this video also. So make sure you watch this video till the end to get all the information regarding this. And before that, if you're new visitor to my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell icon to get all the notifications from my channel. I'll be uploading a lot of educational videos, intraday trading strategies, tricks, tips and lot of things in my channel, so make sure you stay tuned for that. Okay, and also if you're new to the stock market trading, if you're having losses and want to recover your losses and want to learn how to make money consistently in trading, you can join my course. I do provide NSE and MCX trading course. The course prices are very less and reasonably priced. You can check all of the details in my blog spot, that is tradingzero.blogspot.in. The link is in the description below of this video. So many of the people has got into my trading program and now they are making money constantly, and people who had losses are now starting to recover their losses. You can watch all of these things with the earning proof here with the ledgers. And if you guys are interested and motivated to make consistent profit like this, you can join us today. And once you join us, I'll be guiding you how to make consistent profit, and I'll be teaching you personally to make regular profits in intraday trading. Okay, and also if you're new to the stock market trading, I'll be guiding you from the basics to make you earn consistent profit. And also if you're having losses, I'll be helping you to recover your losses. You can go through all of these feedback messages and earning proof. If you guys wish to stop your losses from today and want to start making consistent profit like this, you can message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you can make consistent profit like this. And also these are the advantages and benefits what to get once you join us. So once you join us, you will be able to earn consistently in trading. I'll be teaching you 95% accuracy, unique and secret strategies with no indicators. And also I'll be teaching you how to pick the stocks every day and a very good timing and discipline what is needed. Just by spending only 15 to 30 minutes per day, you can make 10% profit on a capital. That is, you can earn 1000 rupees per day with the investment of just 10,000 only. And also, I'll be guiding you with a very good money management system and a risk free trading system. And also, as guys know, my course prices are very less and reasonably priced. Okay, so guys, by being said that, now let's talk about the strategy itself. So now I'll be teaching you the strategy. So guys, for this strategy, you will be using a 30 minutes candlestick chart, a normal 30 minutes candlestick chart, and no need of any indicators. Okay, so once you put a 30 minutes candle chart, all you have to find is you have to find a candlestick being a body with a one-sided wick. Okay, that is like this. Okay, so this is the first candle what you're seeing. So you should see a formation of a candle being like this, that is a candlestick with a body with a one-sided wick or a shadow, what you call as. Okay, so you should see only one-sided wick like this. The line should be only on a one side, either to the upper side or to the downside. And now once you find a candlestick being like this, you have to mark that candle's high and low. Okay, so once you mark this candle high and low, now what you have to do is, if this candle's high breaks, you will buy it, or if it breaks the low, you will sell it. For example, the high is 2480. So if it goes to 2481, you can buy the crude oil, or if it's breaking the low, that is 2377 is the low, or if it's breaking the low, you can sell crude oil. So you have to wait for crude oil to give a breakout. Okay, so let's see now. 2480 is the place where we buy after a breakout, and as you guys can see, the upside got broke, that is on the buy side, and made a high of 2516. Okay, and you can keep a target and stop loss, like you can keep 15 points target and 10 points stop loss, or 20 points target and 10 points stop loss. Okay, so this is a strategy, so this is working and this is having a pretty decent accuracy, so you guys can back test it and then trade on this. Okay, so guys, now let me tell about getting the margin. Okay, so as you guys know, due to the heavy volatility, a lot of brokers have been reduced their margin. But if you guys wish to get more margin, and if you guys want to make more profit by investing less capital, then you can check out Asta Trade. Okay, so the link is in the description below of this video. You can go there and check it out. And if you guys are interested to open your account in Asta Trade, you can open it now. For doing a trade in crude oil, you need 25,000 rupees for one lot of crude oil mega. Okay, and if you're doing in NSE, okay, so you get the margin up to 40 times for equities. Okay, and if you're doing in futures for bank nifty, you need 3,500 rupees only to do in one lot of bank nifty. And even for nifty, you need 3,500 rupees only to trade on one lot of nifty future. Okay, so the advantages of Asta Trade is that you get a good margin, and even if the brokerage is also decent. So you can go to the link in the description below of the video and see all the details. And if you're interested to open an account in Nasdaq Trade, you can open it now, and you get a good advantages like margin, and also even with the less capital, you can make a good trades and a decent profit. Okay. So guys, now coming back to the strategy. So let me show you some of the previous examples so that you guys will understand it. So here again, there is a candle, okay, with a one-sided wick only, okay, with the one-sided shadow. So mark this high and low. So the high is 2573 and the low is 2558. Okay, so if it breaks the high, you will buy it, or if it breaks the low, you will sell it. So first the high got broke, that is 2573, so you'll buy it at 2574, and as you guys can see, it rallied up to 2629, and our targets of 15 to 20 points would have been already achieved here. Okay, and now let me show you few of the other examples so that you guys will understand. So here again, so on the starting we didn't get any formation, so the basic thing of the strategy is that you have to wait for the formation to come, and you should see it in only 30 minutes candle chart. So here, as you guys can see, on almost like 1 o'clock, this formation has been formed here. So there is a candle here, and with a one-sided wick or a one-sided shadow. So you should find a candle like this, okay, only with a one-sided wick. Okay, so here is a formation, and mark the high and low of this candle. And here again, so 2433 is a high. So here again the high was broken, and the stock moved all the way up. Okay, as you can see, the very good movement was given. So you should always find a first candle formation like that happening for the day. Okay, so now here again, so I'm coming to the previous day. So yes, on the first 30 minutes candle only you can see the formation. So body only with a one-sided little wick. So yes, mark the high and low. So the high is 2418, and if it breaks the high, you will buy it. And yes, the high got broke, and the stock, I mean the crude oil, has moved up very well. Okay, so you can see this strategy, and let me know how you're feeling about this strategy. And if you like this video, do give a like for this video, and also share this video. Okay, and also if you guys want to learn how to make money consistently in intraday trading, you can join my course. In my course, I'll be teaching you 90 to 95% accuracy strategies which will help you to make consistent profit in intraday trading. Okay, and also when you're using any strategy, make sure you keep a target and stop loss, which is very important. And don't do over trading, follow the discipline so that you will be safer. Okay, so don't do over trading. So follow 1:2 risk reward ratio when you are trading, and follow the discipline when you're doing intraday trading. Okay, so don't do over trading. And also you guys can go inside my channel and watch all the other videos. There are a lot of educational videos, strategies, tricks, tips, and lot of things in my channel. So watch all of these things and subscribe to my channel if you're not a subscribed. And also every day I upload how much profit we made and on what stock we traded with the profit proof every single day. If you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this and want to stop your losses from today, you can join us now. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you in the next one very soon.